Hello and welcome to the video version of my journal. I'm Stephanie Rivers. While most people are convinced that they should be spending money they don't have to impress people they don't like with gifts those people don't need, I've been spending my time making sure my 2009 tax deductions are in order before the end of the year. Sure, it's not as exciting as shopping, but the payoff is much better. Most people think of the Internal Revenue Service as an agency that just collects taxes from the paychecks of every American. It's true, but the IRS also has hundreds of tax deductions and tax credits that will put money back in your pocket. The trouble is most people don't take the time to learn what those pitfalls are and what the benefits are of the IRS tax code. Those people are easy to spot. They're the ones that prefer to get a big fat refund check at the end of the year instead of no refund at all. They still haven't learned that if you get a refund check, that means you've just given the federal government an interest-free loan. When is the last time the government gave you an interest-free loan? And those scary news stories that feature the IRS bringing the hammer down on everyday people, the people next door it seems, who owe back taxes, they make matters worse. Fear is the IRS's biggest weapon, because if millions of people are too afraid to collect the money that's legally coming to them, then the IRS gets to keep that money. I'm not big on giving gifts. In fact, my mother says I never was too excited about getting them either, to her dismay. But if I was a gift giver, I would give everyone a copy of a book entitled 422 Tax Deductions for Businesses and Self-Employed Individuals. It's no secret that most of the deductions and credits allowed by the IRS are for people who own a business, big or small. Business owners are viewed as adding to the stability of the American economy by providing products, services, and jobs. And that's why the federal government is more willing to bail out even the most poorly run company instead of giving rebate checks to W-2 employees. While I don't profess to be a tax expert, just as my grandfather didn't profess to be a dentist, but he knew enough to pull my loose teeth to save my mother the time and money she would have spent at a dentist, I too have learned more than 90% of the people in America about the tax code, and I use it to legally avoid taxes at all costs for the past 10 years. I didn't learn about taxes in school because it wasn't taught, and recently I asked a college student what the Rule of 72 was, because she told me she was an accounting major and she couldn't tell me what the Rule of 72 was in college. So it doesn't look like things have changed in that front at all. No, you don't learn these things in school, but you learn them by spending time with business owners who make more money than you and who pay less taxes than you. It will cut into the time that you spend shopping and watching TV, but the information is transferable knowledge, and you can take it with you regardless of where you work or what kind of business you own. To find out more about this and other things I care about, go to the website eurweb.com. Thanks, and have a super day.